Alright guys, so this is a wrap for the end of day number 1 of our church renovations. As you can see, we've done a lot more paint, wall prep work, sanded a lot of stuff. We got both of our video boxes up, PTZ camera 1 over here, camera 2 over there. So we got that done. Also, we went on ahead and we installed cabinetry in the back part of our sound room. That's going to be, this is for our storage and everything else that we need. And look how much space is still in here. There's plenty of space to do whatever you need to do. So mics, cleaning supplies, and cables, and all kind of stuff that we need will be in here. All right. So that's a wrap for today, and until the next video. Alright, so as you can see, we got all our, I call them, this is the toys, fun stuff. Got all this in today. So this will be installed the week of August the 9th, 10th, week of August 9th, and all of that. So, all right. All of our toilets and urinals and faucets and things of that such arrived today. So we got some new toilets, and we're grateful about that. They are ADA compliant, they're compliant, and they're higher now than the ones we previously had. And you will no longer feel like you're about to fall in the floor when you get ready to sit on the toilet. It'll be much higher. So it'll be great. It'll be great. We're working. We've primed some of the walls here in the sanctuary as well. Got our toys in. Some of our toys came in today. New subs and cameras and all that kind of stuff. We got more stuff coming in probably by the end of the week. As you can see here as well, we've just put a simple coat of paint on the wall. All right, on the sound booth rather. And so it's been a great day. See you tomorrow, day number 3. Guys, this is the end of day number 2 of our church renovations. As you can see, they started priming the walls here and getting them prepped and ready for some good old paint. We primed all of the walls here in the lobby. I need the church to say lobby. I need the church to say lobby. Lobby. All right. Prime the walls here. All right. Prime the walls over here. And so it's looking good. It's looking good so far. What's up, good people? This is day number 3 of week 5 of renovations. And as you can see, we got paint. Look at all that up there. Look how beautiful that looks. It looks great. This is not the final product. Let me show you exactly kind of the scheme and theme we're going for. It's going to be great. You see that rendering right there on your screen. So even this right here, this will be painted black. This will be painted black. You see it's been sanded down. We got some toys in, got some cameras, some speakers, subs, some lights, all kinds of stuff. Our sound booth here has been painted as well. And I want to continue to highlight this. I want to continue to highlight how good God is. Just look at this here. Just take a peep at it. I can stand here and cut off the lights. I no longer have to bend down. No. God is a God of upright. He's a God of upright. I can stand here and cut the lights out. And also I wanted to highlight here that we have our 2 tripod platforms. So you don't have to have a tripod here. It really needs a personal man. This technology. I can't believe you guys see it. There's a tripod with a camera, shoot down right there, and get above people. 2 cameras down there. A personal privilege right here. Just tell you that we must must continue this on throughout the duration of this. This is not going nowhere. Social media is here to stay. We got to serve the needs of people. Until the next video. Okay, guys. So we're getting ready to clear out our what used to be our nursery rooms 1 and 2. Now will be called Zion Kids 1, Zion. All cleared out for the new space for the babies. New space for the babies. Hey, what's up, guys? So this is our last day of week number 5 for this week's episode. So I just wanted to take you around and show you what all we've done. This week, we just really primarily focused on the painting. It literally takes a very long time to make sure it's done right. So as you can tell, here is our new scheme primarily for the church. It won't look like this when it's complete, but this is what you can see so far. All right, this is what you can see so far. Looks great. Also, we decided to go with the black overlay for the black trim. It's going to really hit it off really nice. Look at that, it's going to really look really nice with our black accessories, our black exit signs, our black what are those things? Our black electrical outlets. So it's going to really pop and make it look amazing. Also, so here in the women's bathroom, as you can see, we have a wall behind this. Trust me, it is going to look amazing. The final picture of this looks great. Ladies, you will like your restroom. Your toilets are ADA compliant. They're not so low anymore. Stay tuned with us, and we have some more details next week. Hey guys, so also we have, when you come through on the women's side, we're going to have a TV here that you can see the service or any graphic that we want to place there. It'll be behind our new electric blue wall. Nice big old 75-inch TV. What can I say, guys? As you can see, we decided to go with black floodlights on exit lights and things of that nature on the inside and the outside. The light that hang right there is shining down. You see that picture on your screen now, black floodlights. That's what we decided to go with. And so guess what? When you enter into the sanctuary, this is the first thing that you will see. It will not look like this when we finish, but this is the color. That's the color. We're gonna have some graphics up there. It's going to say our church name, our church vision, just like the rendering that we showed you. Matter of fact, I'll put it right here on your screen. As you see it right there, that's what it's going to look like in the end. So we're working until the next video. I love it, and there's nothing you can do about it.